What's up, guys? So today we're back at my aunt's house and we're doing the clutch on the RX-7. Just want to show you a few things. We already started, but this is a piece of work. You'll see. So first things first, we took off the slave cylinder, then 3 bolts that were down here and a hard line so we could get better access. But got Jack down here doing my work for me. Let me see what you found. You found the light. Where's the exhaust manifold welded to the downpipe?
Right here.
Oh, right over there. Welded to the exhaust manifold. And then, let me see it on the resonator. Some fucking butchered that shit on there. Besides that, it's just rusty. So, then what are we doing? Taking off the exhaust,
The
the starter,
and then the drive shaft.
And then last 3 bolts, then we'll be able to drop the transmission. So
Yeah, you got some broken wires under here too.
broken wires.
Yeah.
I'm not surprised. But then we got Keeper over here wandering under a car. Another thing I did was lay out the bolts and label them so we don't forget which ones they are. Next we got to take off the shifter from the top. So remove this panel. Oh, I might need that flathead. Nope. Yank that shit. Alright. These are 10s in here. That one was loose. That one's loose. Do I have to take out these 3 from the top?
You just have to take out the shifter, which, yeah, you do.
Oh, that's greasy. So, it took forever to get the exhaust off. There you go. But look how good this is. Mint condition. Perfect. No rust. Can't see anything inside. How much would this go for? 50 on eBay?
I'll say that would be $100.
$100 on eBay. Yeah, garage kept obviously, but beautiful condition. And then, as you see, there's only 1 muffler, a couple heat shields. This was the other one. Straight pipe, half straight pipe. I don't know what happened. No constriction. Constriction? No.
I'm pretty black too.
It wasn't constricting at all, as you can tell.
Yeah,
but beautiful. Now, gotta get drive shaft and the 3 trans bolts off, and we should be set. Still, just rust. Under rust. There it goes.
Give me a 14 wrench.
Wrench. Oh.
Where'd he go? The driver's bottom. Right? Yeah, 'cause it's not right hand drive. Driver bottom.
Yeah.
Passenger
Bottom.
bring it straight back.
Put some of this shit on it.
Alright, give me the big daddy. Give me the big daddy.
Oh my god.
Big daddy, get everything out.
The difference. So got the trans and drive shaft out. Let me see my clutch. Got the hairball. Ooh. Nice. So, next is...
pulling out the clutch and the flywheel.
Alright. Yo, it still has life to it, look.
Yeah, there's nothing left of that shit.
What are you talking about? That's perfect, my guy.
There's a pretty good gouge like a motherfucker. There's some more of it.
Great.
There's some more of it.
This shit hasn't had a clutch in like 2 years. I'm still not off that. There's literally no fibers to the plate. Nothing.
Alright, now I need the big socket and the gun and...
That's insane. Both sides. Toast. What's up, guys? So last night it was kind of a long day, so I didn't film much, but we ended up getting the flywheel out. We had to use a rubber mallet, put the bolt on in the middle and just hammer the fucking shit out of it. Finally came loose, got it off. It could be in better condition, but today I'm going to school, and after school I'm gonna bring the flywheel to see if it could get resurfaced, because there are some marks on it. Hold on. See, like those guys, probably not safe, and then there's another one there. So I'll go see what's up with that. But I have the whole clutch kit. I'm gonna see if I need a remain seal. I have the throwout bearing. I have the other bearing. But yeah, so gonna go check if I could get this resurfaced. If not, I have to buy a new one. But I'll let you guys know later. What's up, guys? So today's a new day. We're getting the clutch and everything back in the car with the help of my friend Jack. What? 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 So, I'll be doing that in a little bit. The flywheel had to be resurfaced. It's recommended, but because it's balanced, it can't be resurfaced more than once, and mine had already been resurfaced once. So, went on Facebook Marketplace, got another flywheel, got that resurfaced, since it was never resurfaced before. Picked it up today, and now I'm waiting for Jack. So, once Jack comes, we can put the flywheel in, clutch, pressure plate, and ultimately throw the transmission back in. Can't wait for this car to get moving. So, let's get to it. So, this is the flywheel after it got resurfaced. Looks very nice. This one looks like it should do a great job. Now I gotta start cleaning that thing right there. All done?
Yep.
I didn't Loctite 6 bolts.
It was 5.
6, kid.
I lost track of the last one.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
You're good, you're good.
Famous last words. Now I got it on film too.
You're good, you're good.
You're good.
You're good, you're good.
I'm so close to this damn back tire thing. If this shit clip, my whole penis is gone. Like,
You don't need that.
ain't gonna have no kids.
We good?
Yes, sir.
Should probably open the garage door and the neighbors will hate me. But fight it. Alright. Nothing. Still got power? Yep. What?
Rubber doesn't let the electricity hit you, right?
No,
Mm-mm.
that was all a myth. You're gonna get fucked up.
Fuck you!
If you do something wrong.
Send it!
Like,
Got everything together. Car's not even cranking, so Jack thinks it's the starter. He's gonna probably, well, he's gonna try to jump the starter. So we'll see what happens.
guys, this is me one more
Fifth.
time.
Fifth chime is the charm, hopefully. You ready?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Go.
Wait. Try it. Try it.
Wheels spinning. Oh, we got movement, baby. We got movement. Woo! Let's go.
You have to
Got it?
check it out. Yeah, check your story. Now, go slightly with the gas
That was.
and put in a second gear.
That was without clutch, though. It's good, though.
What's that second gear?
That was clutchless, though.
That second?
Clutchless, yeah.
That's what I'm doing.
With clutch? That shit's loud.
Starting now?
Well, at least we managed to close the door and save the puppies. That's alright. We low-key almost forgot.
Seems like you start a shot,
Alright.
or there's a bad ground going to it. Alright. Try it. Try it. Alright.
That's stupid loud.
You're gonna need extra ground, and then, like I said, eventually change the starter because it's not too healthy.
So the starter, when I tried rewiring it, did not work, and then I broke one of the bolts on the solenoid. I ordered new packages, got a K&N filter, and I have a new starter, so I'm gonna throw that in. Hopefully it works. If not, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but let me get to that and try to start the car. I got the starter in and it still wasn't working, so I called my friend Lewis, and all he did to make this car run, went in the engine bay, moved the wiring harness a 1/4 inch and secured it more, and then it was able to start. So now I know there's something wrong with the harness, but as of right now I don't really have time to work on that, so I'm gonna throw this shit exhaust back on. It's better than it being straight piped because that was too damn loud. At least this has a resonator. Car runs and drives, so tomorrow morning I'll take it for the first drive actually after 3 months of ownership, something like that. But yeah, see you in the morning. The car is finally down, so I'm hoping it actually starts and drives, because if not, that's gonna fucking suck. So I'll open up the garage to air it out, and let's see if it actually turns over once I put a battery in. Alright, as you saw, the car moved under its own power. Still have to switch those bulbs, but all that hard work paid off. Now, we will have to see what else breaks. So, stoked. See you next time.